This is the easiest way to make fried chicken, people. First, you clean your chicken off it real good. Get your grease already heated up. Then add your seasoning. Once you season your chicken with your favorite seasoning sauce, it can be whatever kind you want. Always add some pepper. This is the easiest route. I don't do all that fancy stuff. We're not adding eggs. Still gonna have crispy. Now, you're cooking in flour. I always add a little bit of seasoning to my flour before I add the chicken in. Add your chicken into the bag and you mix it to add your chicken to the hot grease. The key thing to the chicken is cooking it evenly on both sides. So you sit it on one side, make sure you flip it in a few minutes, make sure you flip them and flip them so they'll always be cooked through and through from each way. This is what most of you rappers mean by flipping chickens, because you know y'all ain't really had none of them bricks. Y'all was talking about cooking in the kitchen. After I flip my chicken a few times, I usually go down the middle with them and hit it with a knife all the way through, just so it can cook all the way through. Once they red up, I'll flip them on the other side, but I want to make sure my chicken is cooked all the way, well done, all the way through. You know what I mean? A little lightweight work. See how that chicken, once they start getting golden. Some vegetables, some biscuits, a little rice on the side if you don't want it. No potatoes, or you can have them both, baby.